Welcome back to Satisfactory, and there is my soon-to-be heavy modular frame factory there. Those platforms, that looks bigger than I thought it would. Looks gigantic. Somehow it doesn't look as big from up here. I don't know. Anyway. Today we've got some assemblers to build. 40 of them. So I'm just gonna put down 40. Just to make things nice and even. My calculations show me that I need 37.5, but I think what I'll do is build a blueprint designer. Oh my god. I am totally out of concrete. Oh god. So scary. Where's concrete? Oh. Over here. Alright, I gotta get rid of some of this stuff. You can go there, you can go there, and you can go there. Okay. Let's go to the blueprint designer real quick. Load blueprint, EIB, encased industrial beam. I'm just gonna set this to 3.75 per minute. So we're gonna run it at 93.75% clock speed. 3.75 per minute. I believe that's right. Yeah. 150, which is how many encased industrial beams per minute I want, divided by 40, the amount of assemblers, 3.75. That's how much we want from each assembler. This will save a little bit of power. Not a lot. Having it downclocked like that. But anyway, I forgot to save it. Let's just do that again. Save blueprint. Confirm. Clear designer. Get rid of it. Throw it away. Don't want it. Alright, we are on the maintenance level. Let's go up. I got power to my constructors here, so I can fly around with impunity. Okie dokie. I don't want anything on this path here. So we'll start the Encased industrial beams. Ow. Right here? Ah. Let's go forward one more foundation. Give ourselves a lot of room. That's centered. Cool. So we want 10 of these on each side here. 10 here, 10 here, and then 20 above. Okay, that's 10 on that side. There we go, that should be lined up with that, and I believe it is lined up with this one, the line kind of indicated that. And it's backwards. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now I gotta get power from here to there. So let's make some foundations here. That the right? Yeah, it is. Okay. Gotta make sure my foundations are oriented correctly. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, this factory is going to leave a pretty large footprint. I don't know if it'll be as big as the aluminum factory. I didn't think it would be this big. I know it's a lot of constructors and assemblers, but and constructors are pretty small. So I just didn't think it would take up this much space. But, yeah, I guess so. There we go, we have power. Awesome. Let's get one more row here and then we can go up to the next level. Okay, now to make sure everything on the next level is lined up perfectly. Okay, so that there is the foundation where we're going to have the input for the industrial beams. Right there. Oh, I messed it up, didn't I? Crap. Yeah, the inputs and outputs have to be in the middle. Did I do that on the level below? I don't think I did. Nope. Delete everything. Alright, I'm back. So, with the magic of blueprints and mass dismantle and blueprint dismantle and all of that, that whole process really took only a couple of minutes rebuilding these. So now we have a big, wide gap in here. Alright, let's continue with industrial beams. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's get the green lines to line up. That looks good. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh no, I'm gonna run out of cables. Alright, well, that's all my cables. Let's get some more foundations built. One more out. Okay. Might as well use up my concrete before I go back down to grab more cable. I haven't hooked up any of the conveyor belts or anything yet. Not exactly sure where I'm gonna bring everything in. I'll probably decide on that last. That's not really an important detail. I'll do the manufacturers first. And there's all my iron plates. Alright, what do I need for these manufacturers? Let's see. I need 16? That's a lot of weird components. Okay. Motors, 80. Heavy modular frames, 160. No problem. Let's grab a few extra. Cable. Hella cable. I need hella cable. Oh my god, I'm actually at the point where I can't find my own stuff. I used to be able to, even though it was so messy. Okay, it's by the tower. Oh yeah, I got rid of my space elevator. Okay, where? Cable, here. Alright, we have hella cable. Let's bring some extra. We'll need a lot for power lines. And some plastic. Now this extra heavy modular frames, I'm gonna stick it in here to keep this going. There we go, just a few. These are just making me fused modular frames. I should have quite a bit. Yeah, there we go. It's producing very slowly, but consistently. And we got the cooling systems going. I think I have a... Yeah, I have a whole storage container of cooling systems. Do I need more than that? Let's see, what do I need the cooling systems for? Let me take a look at that real quick. Which part do I need them for? Thermal propulsion rocket. I don't need them for the magnetic field generator. I could use them for the turbo motors, but there's other recipes. It's 4 cooling systems to 1 turbo motor. This is a 6:2 ratio. Well, whatever. Let's just No reason to stop this process. Keep it going. Now we'll have 2 containers of cooling systems. Why not? If I make too many, I can sink them. Might as well keep my factory going while I'm working on this stuff. Oh, plastic. Okay, I need plastic. Let's get a power pole up there. That's enough? 800? Yeah. I can't wait to see the trains depots in action. That's gonna be cool. But that's a little ways off. We got work to do in the meantime. Alright, let's have a look. Everything looks good. Yep. Okay, we need power. Right, that's what we were doing. Turn on our flashlight. Is that right? Yeah, that's straight. Okay, let me just make sure. It's gotta be exactly the same. Okay. Yeah. I don't want everything to be like 1 meter off and have to redo it. Uh-oh. Incoming. Oh, he just flew right by my base. Or right through it, I think. But I didn't see him. Wondering if I should reduce the frequency of autosaves. That's always, you know, risky. Alright, I'm gonna need a lot of foundations, a lot of space for these manufacturers. We'll get the bottom level here done first. I might actually run out of iron again before I can build any manufacturers. Alright, now if I calculated everything correctly, we should be able to have all the manufacturers on this level. Yeah, we don't need them up here, actually, so. And they should take up exactly as much space as the constructors do. 16 manufacturers, yeah. 8 on each side. Wow, they must be really big. Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna need to move this out some more. Because I'm gonna need a path in between. A lot of space in between. Alright, we'll try that. I might actually need even more space. But we'll give that a try. Okay, so we got this nightmare of 4 splitters. Now, Rick Clark made some comments about using a smart splitter and programmable splitters to have sort of a sushi belt of whatever the heavy modular frames need. Just one sushi belt feed in and use those smart splitters and programmable splitters to, where'd it go? Oh, there we go. Hi there. I wish I could know what your flight path is before I start building stuff. Now that's just gonna look weird. Anyway, I'm gonna do it this way rather than using smart splitters and sushi belts, which you can do. You'll just have to feed overflow, find a way to deal with the overflow. You can deal with it in a couple ways, I suppose. Try to feed it back into the system or sync it or whatever, and that would work. But I can't do sushi belts. I just can't, because it looks wrong. And really, that's it. Because I play a lot of Factorio, and you don't want to do it there for many, many reasons. It's just so much easier not to. In Satisfactory, you could probably, yeah, it's not a big deal because you're dealing with a lot less material. For various reasons, it's not as big of an issue in Satisfactory. But in Factorio, you never really want to do that if you're, you know, playing, making anything other than a small base just to launch a single rocket or something in Factorio. And so I've just been kind of trained not to do that in Factorio, and so I don't think I can do it here. I think this'll work. This won't look too ugly, although I'm gonna have to change the inputs, I think. I'm gonna have the inputs come from the rear. Yeah, because yes. I do have to change this. Build it. There we go. I think that'll make things cleaner. Why am I doing that? I don't need all this. All I need is that, that, and that. Oh no, it was right. Yeah, it was right. The inputs should be on the side. And then, yeah, so what I'm gonna need to do is... the inputs will be on the side. It's sort of like what I did with my aluminum. So the first manufacturer in a line, the inputs will be like this on the rear, and then they will branch out to... they will go off to the side to the next one. Okay, yeah, this is correct. Okay. I got it. Now let's see if these fit. I'm real curious to see... if they fit. There he is. Well, fourth dimension confirmed, or something. I don't know. Autosave. Oh. Okay, so this looks lined up pretty well here. Do I need to move it over by one? Yes. Okay, that's fine. And then... what about this way? Let's get that centered. Now this one I believe is not centered. That's okay. I can deal with that as long as the inputs are centered. That's cool. Build it. Beautiful. Let's make more. We need 9 on each side. That's only 4. I'm out of iron plates. Looks like it's going to be too big. Iron plates. Oh my god, it's a maze. Why can I all of a sudden not find anything? I did not have this problem before. It's not like I've been away from the game for a long time. Losing my mind. Alright, where's my tube? I want one of these. Like in real life. After it's been thoroughly tested, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blueprint. Six. 7. 8. Yeah, the numbers lied to me. Why does it not add up? Well, that's okay. We'll just have to make this a little bit wider. Well, now that bothers me. Why does it not match? The manufacturer should be 18 meters. Okay, how many manufacturers is that? 9? 18 times 9. I gotta check something. 162. How many foundations is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh great, that little hitch messed up my count there. Here, we'll do it this way. Okay, that is 20. 20 foundations. So these manufacturers should be 162 wide. 20 foundations is 160. Wait. 160. Yeah, that's right. Because they hang off the edge by 1 meter. So 162. Yeah, I'm not really sure. I messed up my calculations a little bit somehow. I thought that the constructors here would be exactly equal to the length of the 18 manufacturers, or the 9 manufacturers here and the however many constructors there are here. But it's not exactly, but it's very close. So I think that's fine. Ooh. Alright. It's not the first time I've messed up a calculation, and it won't be the last. In any case, I think I'm gonna end it here. We got the assemblers and half of the manufacturers, so I'll get the rest of the manufacturers, hook them up, and then next time we can start we gotta get the belts done. And I gotta figure out where exactly I'm gonna bring in the limestone and the pipes. Those are the two main things I gotta bring in. Alright. Well, I hope you enjoyed my foundation and manufacture and assembly machine construction episode. And I'll see you next time.